In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the maintenance box error on the Epson L6570 quickly and easily.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This maintenance box error is a common problem on Epson printers and may prevent the printer from working normally or recognizing the maintenance box correctly. After turning on the printer, this error suddenly appeared on the screen. Maintenance error. Remove and reinstall the maintenance box. Because of this error, the printer stopped working completely. This error usually appears when the maintenance box is not detected properly, the chip contacts are dirty or not reading correctly, the box has reached its service life, or the printer cannot recognize the maintenance system. To fix this issue, remove the maintenance box from the printer. Each maintenance box has its own identification code. For this printer, the correct model is C9345. Clean the maintenance box chip carefully using a soft, clean and dry cloth. Now reset the maintenance box using the chip resetter designed for this printer. Make sure the code on the resetter matches the box model code, as both should be identical. To buy this chip resetter, you can simply search for chip resetter on websites like Alibaba, Amazon, or any other online store and purchase it easily. Now connect a charging cable to the Type-C or other port to power on the chip resetter. Now properly connect the resetter pins to the maintenance box chip. Wait until the red light turns green, which confirms a successful reset. Now reinstall the maintenance box into the printer and check if the error is resolved. If the problem still remains, it is better to replace it with a new maintenance box. That is it for this video. The maintenance error is usually caused by a dirty or unreadable chip or a full maintenance box. Cleaning the chip and resetting it with a compatible resetter can fix the problem quickly. If it still does not work, replacing the maintenance box is the best solution. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Device Doctor. Thank you for watching.